Assalamu alaikum friends, I hope you're quite well, and today I want to show you how to create a school identity card in Photoshop. First you need this one. Here is main thing is size of identity card. In 3.4 inches is width and height is 2.1. Resolution is 300. Create. Now our size is created. Identity card size. Select a tool, rectangle tool, press shift and select this area, enter, change color white and scroll down. Here you see here the corner of this shape, select this one and write 50, enter. You see make a corner. Now we need a line for main heading and the name of our school. Okay, control backspace. Okay, now I try to write my school name. For example, our school name is, change color, white color, Government High School Chakri, Beating High School Chakri. Depend your location of school, write your main school name here, our main heading. And now we need a shape of photo. Click here, press shift, create new layer first and then make a photo box, color white, and same thing here, select 30, you see. And now we need a line or detail. For example, here is our name, select color black, size is 9, name, make a line for name, delete it and enter. Here name is here write a class. Next is roll number. Okay, and provide your section or your subject etc. if you want to, you can write anything. And we need a image. I have image, I use this one, select size 300. okay, drag here on this shape, right click. Now you see our photo here in this shape, drag anywhere, our photo is here, our well. Now you write your home address, write anything, for example village Chakri, post office Natyal. So you can write your own choice, change font size or any more. Okay, I hope these tutorials are useful for you. Subscribe me. Take care. Love.